Today we're going to be making a healthy breakfast plate inspired by the one and only Kim Kardashian. She's been sharing photos of her beautiful high-protein breakfast plates, and one of her go-tos is avocado toast with a big serving of just egg. We've adapted her recipe to create this nutrient-rich grand slam breakfast plate, so let's get started. First, you want to cook your sweet potatoes. So I cubed one whole sweet potato and I tossed in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then put it into an oven for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to cook up our breakfast sausages. So mine are from the Meatless Farm, and I'm going to put them in a skillet over a medium heat for about 5 minutes and turning them occasionally. So once your plant-based sausages are done, transfer them to a plate. Next, you want to toast your bread. I'm using whole wheat bread, although you can use whatever you have on hand at home. While your bread's toasting, it's time to get started on our scramble. Heat your skillet to a medium heat, add about 1 teaspoon of neutral flavored oil, and then we're going to add about half a cup of just egg. And then scramble that up. After about 30 seconds in the pan, I'm going to add 1 cup of baby spinach to my scramble. You can use any dark leafy green that you love, collard greens, kale, whatever you have on hand. Add that in and then saute until wilted. Now it's time to build our avocado toast. So I have 1 slice of toasted whole wheat bread and I'm going to top it with some fresh avocado slices. Next, we're going to top it with a pinch of chia seeds, a pinch of desiccated coconut, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. That's going to add some nice crunchy texture, some extra healthy fats, and a little kick with the cayenne. Now let's build our gorgeous breakfast plate. So we're going to start with our toast. I've cut it in half. I've got our sweet potato that we roasted in the oven. Layer that on there. Our creamy just egg with spinach. 2 or 3 of our plant-based sausage links. And we're going to finish by topping it with about 1 cup of mixed berries for a sweet treat and a hit of antioxidants. So there we have it, our finished plant-based healthy breakfast plate inspired by Kim Kardashian. Kim, thanks so much for the love. We love seeing you use just egg. And for everyone out there watching, we love seeing what you're creating as well. So please tag us on Facebook or Instagram. If you love this recipe, you can find more like it on our website.